Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You'll need to check with your specific airline about whether to pack your drone in your carry-on baggage or checked baggage. Some airlines require drones to be packed in carry-on baggage only due to the DOT's ban on transporting lithium-ion batteries in cargo compartments of passenger airplanes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The SOS policy for traveling with drones states, drones are allowed through the checkpoint. Other airlines require you to bring them on the plane, versus checking them in a bag, while others are happy to let you check them, but sans the drone batteries.
Take our lead.
You may take DJI Mavic batteries on an airplane. Any spare batteries not installed in the Mavic must be carried on the airplane and not put in your carry-on. The only time a lithium-ion battery can be put in your checked luggage is if it is installed in the drone.
Take our lead.
But the FAA restricts spare lithium batteries to carry-on bags because of risk of damage while jostling. The FAA concern is that loose batteries could short-circuit, causing extreme heat or even a fire, if they come into contact with keys, coins, tools or other batteries.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.